Thank you so much to Aosky for gifting us our new customized shades for 2 areas in our home that were long overdue for some new window treatments. So this first area that we're doing is our sliding glass door in the kitchen. Honestly, it's pretty necessary because we have not had anything on these windows, so at nighttime you can see completely through. I have those curtains there, but I only have it on one side because it's just too hard. We go in and out this door all the time. So it has been so amazing to have these and just be able to close them off at night for privacy, or even just if the dogs are barking at squirrels in the backyard, I can just close it and then they'll stop. I wanted to make sure that I picked one that rolled all the way up so that when they're up, they don't hang down too far since we do use this door so often. So I went with the custom blackout roller shades in the color linen. They're made to order and they offer superior light blocking, UV protection, and thermal insulation. My office is actually half office, half playroom. It's divided basically down the middle. So I wanted to go with something neutral, basically like everything is in my home, but neutral. And I had the option, obviously, to do a little different than downstairs because I didn't have to worry about the height of the top. So even though Bobby hung both of these up, I really feel like I could have done it as well. Both of them, the installation was very easy. They were different because the brackets were different, but both were so easy, and essentially you just hang the brackets and then attach the shade to the brackets. The blinds in my office were actually not just outdated, but also broken. So I was so happy to be able to replace these. We ended up going with the Nordic Simplicity Blackout Roman shade in the color cream. I don't know if you can relate, but just the simple act of being able to go in to this office or playroom every day and be able to pull them up in the morning and put them down at night, and the fact that they're beautiful and also not broken brings me so much joy. We went with the inside mount for both upstairs and downstairs just because we have a very deep windowsill. It's just my preference to have gotten the inside mount. You can customize it to whichever way you like and pick outside or inside for your windows. The fabric on the Roman shades is so nice. It feels like such high quality and feels so smooth. It almost feels silky. Like I mentioned, both shades, the ones up here and downstairs, are both blackout. If I'm being honest, sometimes I just don't want the sun in my face, and I am a big mood lighting person, so sometimes I just want to put a dim light on. But also in my office, I have this cute little CRT TV that I thought me and James could watch movies on, and having the blackout shade really helps with that. Same thing for the dining room. I just love having the option to pull it down and put a light on. Aosky has so many different varieties of window treatments available, so it's easy to choose your unique style that will fit seamlessly into the aesthetic of your home. For me, I wanted to go with neutral colors that matched my home and my style. So if you want to check out Aosky, please make sure to check the description box below. I'll have both of these shades linked, and you can use code TINA15 for 15% off your order. Thank you again to Aosky, and let's get back